Hey beauty bears, what's poppin'? Welcome back to another video on my channel. So if this is your very first time here, hi, welcome to BareBeauty. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. So yes, this is another short video. It's only because the video is the motions are repetitive and I don't want to bore you guys, so you guys can click off. So today I'll be doing some French fantasy nails. Saw the idea on, I can't remember. I saw the idea somewhere and I said I want to do it. I wanted to use these colors to begin with, so I mean, it was perfect. So I'll be doing some French fantasy nails. So I'll be creating a smile on for each nail. So as I said, it's a repetitive motion. I didn't want to bore you guys in, doing all my 5 fingers. Naturally I usually do my thumb to kind of get the idea of what I wanted. So in the video when I was watching it, I realized that she had some builder gel. I don't have builder gel, and I had poly gel and I wanted to try it. I used it and I followed the steps, but it didn't give me what I want, the results that I want. So I decided to go in with polishes, the regular gel polishes, and put the plastic over there to create that fantasy look. I mean, it's just so dope. It is a dope look. And then the pastels colors made it even more fairy tale. So that's what I'm doing. I am creating a smile line, and when I create that smile line, I'll go in with my emery board to straighten up the lines. I won't be doing all of this on camera because I don't want to bore you guys. So I'm trying to eliminate the board parts in my videos. I mean, some persons like when they see persons shaping up their nails, but if you do like that, go ahead and like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on my Instagram at BareBeauty.Services, and yeah, and also tap the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week, every week. So now that I'm finished shaping the smile line, I'm going in with 3 colors on this nail. I was kind of testing the waters to see if I must follow through with this pastel blue, this blue here, but at the end of the day, I didn't like the result that I got, so I, proceeded with just the pink and the Tiffany blue. So I wanted a marble effect. I want something like very fantasy and very cute. So I went in with the polish, and then I decided to go over with the plastic saran wraps. This gave it a very nice effect. Then I went over it with some glitters, and the motions are the same, nothing much. Add some chunky and fine glitters, then I encapsulate at the end. So there's not much that I really can explain in this video, but it was a really fun set. I hope you guys do enjoy. If this is your very first time here on my channel, welcome. Thank you guys so very much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already subscribed. If you do like the content that I do post, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram at BareBeauty.Services, and also remember to tap the bell so you get notified each and every time I upload, because I upload twice a week every week, and a bonus video here and there, so you don't want to miss that, because I don't have a designated time to posting to ensure your bell is tapped, because I post very randomly. Also with time, so I don't have a time or a place, or the place is obviously YouTube, but I don't have a time, so ensure that bell is tapped. So yes guys, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you do, just give me a like and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.